Crypto.com, Crowcoin, millionaires will be made. We got some big breaking Crowcoin news today about Donald Trump and Crypto.com coming together and buying Crowcoin. How about that? So let's talk about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so starting off here on crypto Twitter, follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say Trump Media and Crypto.com partner on a new strategy. They plan to acquire $6.42 billion with a B in Crow to establish a digital asset treasury. And yes, guys, Donald Trump partnering up with Crypto.com. I think that Chris Marzi, the CEO of Crypto.com, buddying up in the right rooms with these big crypto players, with these politicians, is starting to look like it's paying off, all right? And obviously today we saw a massive move to the upside. And guys, I'll tell you, if you watched my video yesterday and you made some profit off of the trade I was telling you about, let me know in the comment section below. I want to know if you guys got some big juicy gains, because I was saying if we come down here, if we come near this 15-cent price level, I'm looking to enter a beautiful long position. And I said if we bounce off of this level at 15 cents, I expected a test of 212, the sacred 212, guys, the 21 cents. And that's exactly what we have seen happen here. Right now we're trading at about, I believe we're trading at about 18.5 cents. We've wicked down a little bit, but guys, I think we see further continuation. Like, this is very bullish news, seeing that the president and Crypto.com, they're buying up Crowcoin, okay? That sell pressure we're getting from the increased 70 billion in circulating supply, month over month, we see about 1.12 billion get added. Doesn't really mean much if Trump and Crypto.com are buying 6.42 billion. That is more than the entire market cap of Cronos right now, okay? It's a pretty big deal, I must say, and I think that we're probably going to see some continuation. And I really hope that some of you guys are in a long. I'm in a long right now. I'm going to hold this open. And yeah, we may reject down off this a little bit, but I don't think that we break much further down below 17.5 cents. And if we do, I'm going to get stopped down the profit. And guys, I just hope that some of you guys opened that long when I said that now is probably a good time, and made some beautiful gains. Now, if you do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign-up bonus. Check out all the awesome affiliate links we have down below. It really helps support this channel. There's a lot of awesome promotions as well. Take advantage of them, guys. These exchanges want you to use their platform, and they reward you for doing it. So feel free to check it out. So, Cronos, rank 23, up 49.32%, okay, in the past 7 days. That's a big deal. And up 35% in the past 24 hours. Guys, I hold a few 100,000 Crow. I don't really plan on buying more. I'm just going to continue to stake and build that position throughout the staking rewards. But guys, I think that there is a world here where, look at this, that's interesting. On CoinMarketCap, it says we're trading at about 21 cents. But regardless, there is a world where we go to $1, $2, $5 Crowcoin, especially if this liquidity comes in sooner rather than later. And guys, this looks like liquidity is coming in sooner rather than later, and I do think that this will make Crowcoin millionaires. I think that we will see a $1 Crowcoin at the end or before the end of 2025. Now, it's not financial advice, guys. I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market, and I think that there's a good chance that that does play out. We are sitting at a $7 billion market cap, so we add about $2 billion over the past couple days here, over the past day, really. The 24-hour volume is 662 million, a 1,000% gain on 24-hour volume. Insane. And guys, this is what Crowcoin does, especially when these big news pieces come out. It's hard not to be bullish when you're looking at this. Look at the overarching market. Bitcoin's chopping around still at about 112,000. Bitcoin dominance really chopping around a 2% region between like 60% and 59% when you're excluding stablecoins. Guys, I still think that when you look at Bitcoin, right now we wick down below 110K. Even if we chop around, even if we come down to 105,000, retesting that area back here, guys, I think Q4 is going to be bullish. I think that the Fed is going to pivot. I think that the quantitative easing is going to happen. I think the rate cuts are going to happen. I think Jerome Powell is going to keep that money printer on. And really, the U.S. dollar is going to be devalued and asset prices are going to go to the moon, and that includes Crowcoin, my friend. So I am bullish on Crow. I think that we can see a dollar Crowcoin play out. If you zoom out here and look at this, we could go to a dollar. I do think that if we start to close above 21 cents, I think we're probably going to rocket to about 50 cents. And once that happens, people are going to start paying a lot of attention to Crow, and we're probably going to be setting up for that dollar price target. I do believe that there's a good chance that that plays out by the end of 2025. So it's very exciting times. Now, guys, let me know in the comments section below. Do you believe that you will be a Crowcoin millionaire? Are you buying Crowcoin? Are you selling? Are you taking profit? I'll never shame somebody for taking profit, all right, guys? I always take profit along the way, and I buy at the bottom. I try to buy on the way down and sell on the way up, and that's how I've become a profitable trader. So I would never sell shame anyone, okay? But let me know in the comments down below. I want to know. And if you guys want to trade, like I said, check out all those awesome affiliate links down below in the pinned comment section or description box. That's all I got. I'm really excited to see what Trump and Chris Mars, like the CEO of Crypto.com, come together and do. Maybe they buy more Crow. Maybe we see Crowcoin at a $50 billion market cap. Maybe we can finally get back in that top 10 coin. I think it's possible, and I'm looking forward to seeing something like that play out. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.